Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter languages and input, language, and here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, maybe Polski, and after that system language will be changed to Polish automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the ustawienia, then to the język, klawiatura, głos, język, and you have to select English here, and after that language will be changed back to English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.